What's up everyone, FG Tech here, and today we're gonna look at a different product. We're gonna look at this. So as you see, I'm gonna show you a different product today for this channel type. As you can see, is a microphone from Boya. This will be more intended to be used by vloggers and filmmakers, but has a variety of usage for you all. So the product name is Boya MM1. This is actually the cheapest shotgun microphone from Boya. The best you can find, honestly, at a price range of 30-50 USD dollars. So let's open it. So this would be a perfect choice for both smartphones, Gopros, or portable DSLR. Opening the package, you can find the usual manual guide and the warranty card. What we see here is also the usual TRS cable. So the usual 3.5mm jack. Then we find shaft mount, so very useful. And as we can see here, we also have the standard tripod thread at the bottom of it. So this shaft mount is basically used for taking out any noise from the movements. Then within the package we can also find the TRS cable that's basically for smartphones. What else we have? We have a carry bag, fake leather should be, and we also see a professional furry windshield, obviously useful for taking out any noise, wind noise. And that's the microphone itself. So as you can probably see here, this microphone is encased in a full metal body. It looks and feels honestly very solid, and as you can see, there are no batteries. You can't open it, so no batteries at all. This means that it gets powered directly by your smartphone or DSLR. It has a rated frequency of 35 to 18 kilohertz. We can also read it here in the specs and on the website. So as from the specs, it should have a great lower frequency performance. I would say now let's plug the shaft mount and the cable and let's check how it actually sounds. So in order to mount the shaft, we just need to press it. That's it. Cable is also connected, so let's try it. Microphone is still here, so you're actually listening to the audio from my camera. I will also put some music just for you guys to understand. Now let's do the same test with the microphone installed. So same test. Now we have the microphone plugged in. As you can see, the windshield is still here. I'm not using it. Let's also put some music and see if there are any differences. And that's it. What do you guys think? Now we can probably do also a wind noise test. So this is a test without windshield. And now a test with the windshield mounted. So now let's do a quick vibration test. So in the end, after this test, I think the audio quality is absolutely excellent. The shaft provided here works pretty well, even if it's not really the best. The quality is actually mostly the same as the top microphone brand, so the Rode. The equivalent model to this one would be the Videomicro, which I tried and honestly didn't see much of a difference. There is also not a big difference in terms of price. You can find this one for $40 more or less, and the Rode one is $20 or $30 more. But honestly, as I said, there is really not much of a difference. The shaft there is a little bit better, but the audio quality is more or less the same. We should remember anyway that this microphone is a directional microphone, so it allows you to capture great audio on a certain targeted area, reducing the ambient sound that the non-directional microphones would capture. So it depends on your usage, but yeah, this is honestly a great choice. So what do you guys think? Are you planning to buy this one? Did you find this review useful? Let me know in the comments, and please make sure to subscribe for helping me, and the thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video.